today we have a huge festive Amazon haul. So I bought a lot of ethnic wear and some beauty products from Amazon because I wanted to create all these festive looks and I don't have a lot of ethnic clothes. So I went on Amazon and bought a lot of stuff. Like a lot of stuff. So I'm going to show you whatever I bought. Let's get started. The first thing that I bought is this black Georgette sari with these gold detailings, and in the end of the pallu it has like this golden fringe, and because I'm very thin, I feel like cotton and silk, these materials don't look that good on me. Therefore I like buying either chiffon or Georgette saris. The price for this sari is 639 rupees. So I got it for 639 rupees, but it's on discount right now. It's for 519 rupees right now. I think I got it a bit expensive, but yeah, the Amazon Indian festival sale is on and I bought it before the sale. So yeah, here is the first one that I bought from Amazon is this sari. So this is again a Georgette sari. It's a black sari with these red roses and flowers printed on it, and I got this sari for 499 rupees or 419 rupees, sorry. And this is a very thin Georgette material, but it looks really nice. I'll attach some photos and videos for you to look at. The next sari is this sari. It's like this off-white color with again flowers printed on it, and on the border, if you can see, it has all the mirror work on the border. Again, I'll attach some photos and videos for you to look at. And this sari I think was for 639 rupees. And now I want to check how much is it for right now in the sale. It's for 539 rupees. I got it for like 100 rupees more. But yeah, I really like this. It's very pretty. Let's move on to the next sari. Next thing that I got is a silk sari because I didn't want to buy all Georgette saris. So I got this silk sari, and this one is, honestly I was surprised that I was getting this sari for just 266 rupees. So I had to go and buy it because I couldn't believe that the sari could be that cheap. This is how the sari looks. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I will also be attaching pictures and videos of me wearing it. I think it's a pretty sari and it's for just 266 rupees. Next is a suit. It's a printed kurta, palazzo and dupatta set. Honestly, the reason why I bought this is because the dupatta is Leheria and I'm obsessed with Leheria. I'm a Rajasthani, can't help it. But this was the most expensive thing from my entire haul, and I got this for 1499 rupees. The next one is also a silk sari, but this is Leheria. Like I said earlier, I am very biased towards Leheria, Kota Doria or tie and dye, Bandej. So yeah, I'm very biased towards Rajasthani textiles. So I bought this Leheria sari, and I also like the colors in it. They're like the colors of the peacock. So I'm excited to try this. This was for 739 rupees. Next thing that I bought are these two blouses, and one is in white and one is in gold. These are like already stitched with cups inside, and I think I was getting them very cheap. That is why I bought them. So I got one blouse for 399, which is amazing because you will never ever find such cheap stitched blouses. So I bought two of them. Yay! Next thing is a kurta that I bought for my sister so that she can wear it on Diwali. It's a straight cotton fit kurta and it has like these sequins detailing on the neck, and it's very plain. But my sister wears a lot of plain clothes. That is why I did not get anything very chamkila for her and got this. This is for rupees 454 and it's beautiful. The next thing is the last clothing piece in my haul, finally, and this is a kurta, which you can see. It's a green, white and green kurta. It's like my sister's aesthetics. My sister likes wearing clothes like this, so that is why I bought it. Also, I got this for 340 rupees. Coming to all the beauty stuff that I bought from Amazon, I got this Wet n Wild foundation, and my foundation was getting over and I really like this Wet n Wild foundation, so I bought this. And I got this for just a second, I got this one for 569 rupees. Then I bought the Mamaearth Argan hair mask because this is like one hair product that I swear by. I have suggested it to all my friends and my relatives and it does wonders. It just, if you have frizzy hair, this is the mask that you should go for. So I had to restock my mask, and this one is for 575. How much is it for? 579 rupees. The next thing that I bought is the Maybelline New York Nudes palette. So Maybelline has launched a lot of nudes palette, like the nudes palette and then the blushed nudes palette. Then there is rock nudes palette and there are a few more. I have tried all of them, but this is the only one that I like and I really like it. So I had to restock my palette because a few of the shades were getting over. So yeah, restocked on this. And this I got for, I don't remember, 569 rupees. Yeah, I got this one for 569 rupees. Next product is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer, and I've never tried primers from Wet n Wild, so I thought I'll buy this and give it a try. This was for 429 rupees. Then I got this Marks and Spencer's Lemon Shower Gel, and I really like the smell of this, so whenever I go to Marks and Spencer's and buy it, therefore I had to buy it when I saw it on Amazon. And this is for 299 rupees. This is 250 ml tube and it's for 299 rupees. The next thing that I bought is this hairspray, and like you can see, I've already lost its cap because I've been using it since I got it. And I got this for 750 rupees. I just have two more products left, and both of them are, one of them is hair care and one of them is makeup. Then I got my Streaks hair serum, and this is the hair serum that I use after every time I wash my hair. I apply this hair serum. It helps detangle my hair. So my hair serum was getting over and I had to restock, so I bought this, and I got this for 189 rupees. The next thing is the Maybelline New York New Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. I love this liner. I don't like the pen liners. I either use liquid eyeliners or gel eyeliners, so I had to get this, and I run out of eyeliners very fast because I apply them like 2 to 3 times a day. Anyway, coming to the point, I got this one for 350 rupees, and right now I think it's on sale. Let me check. Yeah, right now you're getting it for 325 rupees. So that is it, guys. These are all the products that I bought from Amazon, and if you like any of them, what I'll do is I will add them to my storefront and I'll share the link of my storefront in my bio, so you can go ahead and shop your heart out. So guys, that concludes my Amazon haul video. I spent around 10,000 rupees on everything, and I'm quite happy with it because I get to create a lot of festive content with it now. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @barkhavyas_, and I'll be posting pictures in all these amazing outfits, so don't forget to follow me there. So I'll see you later with another video, and till then, let me know your favorite thing from my haul in the comment section. Bye!